In May, Pakistan was tested on the battlefield. The nation responded with unity, resolve, and confidence. Under the leadership of Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir, the Pakistani Army, the Pakistan Air Force, and the Pakistan Navy demonstrated professionalism, coordination, and strength. Pakistan emerged victorious with its sovereignty defended and its honor upheld. This victory was not only a military victory, it was a national one. It reflected the unity of our people, the discipline of our forces, and the unbreakable bond between the nation and those who stand guard over it. Our task now is to carry this same spirit forward into our classrooms, our stadiums, our institutions, and our daily lives. Our vision must be clear: a Pakistan where every child in every province has access to opportunity, whether in sports, education, health, or service to the nation. A Pakistan where talent is nurtured, discipline is rewarded, and unity remains our greatest strength. As these national games conclude, may the friendships formed here endure. May the lessons learned here guide us, and may the unity displayed here continue to define our federation. I congratulate every participant, every medalist, and every province. Pakistan Zindabad.